Good morning to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Rambabu Narra. In this session, I am going to continue real numbers. Today we are discussing about logarithms. Logarithm introduction. Learning outcomes. The learner, student, converts logarithm form to exponential form and vice versa. Solve the problems using the properties of logarithms. We are familiar with the exponents. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is written as 2 to the power of 5, in which 2 is known as base and 5 is called exponents or index, and we read it as 32 is the fifth power of base 2. Now we recall the laws of exponents once again. A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m minus n. If m greater than n, suppose m less than n, a to the power of m by a to the power of n equal to 1 by a to the power of n minus m, n greater than m. A to the power of m whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of m into n. AB whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. A by b whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. A to the power of 0 equal to 1. A to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. A to the power of m equal to b to the power of m. If powers are equal, then their bases are equal. A equal to b. A to the power of m equal to a to the power of n. If bases are equal, then their exponents are equal. M equal to n. Nth root a equal to a to the power of 1 by n. This is the exponents, laws of exponents. Suppose we are given like this: if 3 to the power of x equal to 81, then find x. For solving this, we write 3 to the power of x equal to 81, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the division. 3 to the power of 4. So here 3 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of 4. Bases are equal, then their exponents are equal. If the bases are equal, then their powers also equal. So now we can say x equal to 4, x equal to 4. Bases are equal, equate the powers. Suppose we are given 3 to the power of x equal to 16, 3 to the power of x equal to 16, then we can find x. What do you such situation? How do you solve it? What is the situation? What should be the power to which 3 is to be raised at 16? So we need to establish a relation between x and 16. ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఒక కొత్త సంబంధాన్ని మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సి ఉంటుందన్నమాట. In this situation, a new relation logarithm is introduced. ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో 3 to the power of x equal to 16, ఈ 16 3 అయ్యే విధంగా, బేస్ 3 అయ్యే విధంగా మనం రాయలేమన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే బేసెస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అప్పుడు పవర్స్ ఈక్వల్గా చేస్తానికి రాయలేం. అలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో మనం కొత్త రిలేషన్ తీసుకురావాల్సిన అవసరం ఏర్పడింది. అందుకే లాగర్థమ్స్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చిందనమాట. వాట్ ఈజ్ ద లాగర్థమ్? A logarithm is the power to which a number must be raised in order to get some other number. For example, the base 10 logarithm of 100 is 2. Logarithm 100 base 10 equal to 2, because 10 raised to the power of 2 is 100. Log 100 base 10 is equal to 2. Therefore 10 square equal, because 10 square equal to 100. 100. How can we convert exponential form to logarithm form and vice versa? Exponential form a to the power of x equal to n. The convert into logarithm form log n base a equal to x. See, 2 cube equal to 8. The logarithm form is 2 cube is 8 is the exponential form. The logarithm form is log 8 base 2 equal to 3. Here a and n are positive real numbers. A and n are positive. A not equal to 1. We read as log 8 base 2 equal to 3 as the logarithm of 8 with base 2 is equal to 3. How many 2's do we multiply get 8? 8. Simply logarithm gives answer for it. So the logarithm is 3. Log 625 base 5 means how many 5's we multiply we get 625. So it is the equal to 4. Solve the some examples. Find the value of log 125 base 5. Therefore 125 the factorization 5 we get 25 5 5 5 1 and log 125 base 5 equal to x. Let converted into exponential form. 5 to the power of x equal to 125. Therefore 5 to the power of x equal to 5 cube. The bases are equal, equate the powers. Therefore x equal to 3. Therefore log 125 base 5 equal to 3. This is the answer. Another example, find the value of log 256 root 2 base root 2. Find the value of. Therefore log 256 root 2 equal to y. Let converted into logarithm form to exponential form. Root 2 whole to the power of y is equal to 256. Root 2 it is nothing but 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power of 8. 256 is equal to the nothing but 2 to the power of 8. A to the power of m whole to the power of n and 2 to the power of y by 2 equal to 2 to the power of 8. In the situation bases are equal, equate the powers. Y by 2 equal to 8, y equal to 16. Therefore the answer log 256 base root 2 equal to 16. Very good. Thank you very much.